for Houston for the rest of the year, probably. Torrey Smith, rookie recognition. That's a decent hit there for Baltimore. Mark Sanchez for the Jets. Mike Wallace for the Pittsburgh Steelers. I got Torrey Smith in my fantasy team, so I probably overvalue his card there. Bruce Carter for the Cowboys. Jarrell Jernigan for the Giants. Colston for the Saints. Calvin Johnson, Megatron for the Lions. Ronald Johnson for the San Francisco 49ers. Martez Wilson for the Saints. Ray Rice for Baltimore. Sean Green for the Jets. Jamie Harper for the Tennessee Titans. Freshman Blaine Gabbert. It's not an autograph or jersey, so no bonus there. Donovan McNabb for Washington. Matt Forte for the Bears. Wilkerson for the Jets. Aldrick Robinson for Washington. Brandon Lloyd for Denver. Santonio Holmes for the Jets. Nick Fairley for the Detroit Lions. Akeem Ayers for the Tennessee Titans. Bradshaw for the Giants. Flacco again for Baltimore. 3 packs to go. Corey Luget for the Chargers. Niles Paul for Washington. Holy, there's a lot of Washington Redskins. And a Cam Newton rookie card. There you go, Carolina. Gold version, whatever that means, I guess. And, yeah, there it is, Cam Newton. About time. Ray Rice again for the Baltimore Ravens. Kendall Hunter, 49ers. Patrick Willis, 49ers All-Pro. That one looks a little retro, and it is numbered 82 out of 99 for the 49ers. Jerome Harrison, All-Pro for the Steelers, not numbered. And Peyton Hillis for the Browns. And last pack. Ricky Stanzi for the Chiefs. Tyron Smith for the Cowboys. Ahmad Bradshaw again for the Giants. Tony Romo for the Dallas Cowboys. So really the only 2 cards worth mentioning in there were the Cam Newton Gold rookie card there and the Greg Salas, I'm not sure how to say it, but Salas Auto, Cam Newton Gold. And I'll be right back with the bonus video.